Hey guys, Chris here at DecoNetwork. A little while ago, I set up a couple of example products on our demo website for DTF sheets in a way that they don't go through the design tool. Instead, there's an option to upload an artwork file and specify some additional notes. And we did get some feedback from a couple licensees that they wanted a step-by-step walkthrough on how to set up a product in this similar fashion. So let's walk through that process now. We're going to start off in our admin product section. We're first going to need to create a category to organize these new items into. So we'll press Add at the top of the Categories panel, and we're going to call our new category DTF Sheets. Okay, the next thing we'll need to do is set up the two custom fields. So let's click into Custom Fields under the Admin Products section, and from here, Add Custom Field on the top right. Okay, we're going to call this field Artwork File Upload. Okay, and for the type, we're going to go ahead and select File. Now I'm going to copy my description from my previous example, but feel free to set up a description that fits your needs. Once you select File as the type of field, you'll get an additional field to specify the file extensions that you want to accept through this file upload. And I'm just going to, again, copy them from my description and paste them right into that field. Okay, these two options at the top, we're going to go ahead and leave unchecked. So we're all set here. We can go ahead and save that new field. And we're going to repeat that process once again for the notes field. In the case of the notes field, we just have to set our title and leave everything else the same. Go ahead and hit save. Okay, and we're all set with custom fields. The next step is going to be to create a product group to assign these items to. So we're going to click into product groups, choose new product group, and go ahead and give it our title of DTF Sheets and select our default category. We'll choose the one that we created earlier. Okay, the next step, we're going to click into Decoration Processes, switch to Specify Custom, and uncheck all of our processes, right? We're turning everything off since these types of products won't go through the design tool. Okay, we don't have to worry about things like sizing because these products won't have sizing enabled. The last thing we need to check is the Custom Fields tab. We're going to switch to Specify Custom Fields and turn both of those on. Okay, so we can go ahead and save that new product group. And at this point, we're ready to start adding products. So we're going to click back into our products list, hover over the Add Product button, and choose Add Custom Product. For the product group, we're going to select the DTF Sheets group we just created and go ahead and set our name. This one is going to be the 24 by 48. And I can go ahead and set up a product code for that. And number of colors will just be 1. Okay, so let's save to continue. Here on the next step, the system is going to prompt me to upload the product image. In the case of a product like this, I can actually get away with uploading a single image for all colors since there won't be any additional colors. All right, so we'll choose that option, and then I'm just going to drag in the one I prepared previously for the example product. So I'll drop that in and go ahead and upload it. Okay, and I do need to set a name for the view, so I'll use that same 24 by 48 name and hit OK. Okay, the next step, I do have to specify a color for this product. So let's click into that. You could either do white or you can do like I did and define your own color so that you can give it a custom name. I called mine Full Color Transfer. Okay, the last thing I would need to do is click into pricing and specify a price for this product. In my case, the price that I'm setting is already going to be, obviously inclusive of everything. So it's a flat price. In my case, I'm going to do $20. We don't have to worry about things like custom fields. That's already being inherited but from the product group. And we don't have to worry about sizing. Again, this product won't have sizes enabled. Okay, so we're ready to save that new product. Okay, and we should be ready to preview that on the front end. So let's switch to the products page of our website, refresh the last page, and there we'll see the new product that we just created. We can click into that page to see the details, and it looks just like the example I had shared earlier. You'll notice right now the artwork file upload custom field isn't showing that description. That is something that you need to go ahead and turn on for your products page if you don't already have it on. So let's take a look at how to do that. For that, we're going to open up the website page editor by clicking Edit this page. And from there, we'll click into the product details widget to open up the settings window. Here on the left-hand side, you'll see the option labeled Show Custom Fields Description. We're going to switch that to yes, hit OK, save to apply those changes, and publish to push them live. Okay, we'll come back to our product page and refresh. And once it updates, you'll see that description showing right below the field title. Okay, so hopefully these steps are helpful to anyone else wanting to set up a similar product, whether that's DTF sheets or something like this, maybe a sign, a banner, in a way that doesn't go through the design tool and instead just ask the user to upload their own artwork file separately.